Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 2002 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD, and the issue that we're having here is just upgraded the tow mirrors, and for some reason it is still, well, they were working at first, but one day just driving, trying to adjust the mirrors, and the fuse kept blowing. So I thought it was a bad switch because it was acting up anyways, so I went ahead and I bought a new one. But the same thing, I would switch it over to the right and see the mirror works and the fuse isn't blowing, but then we switch it over to the left and some of them doesn't work, some of them do work, and then the fuse pops. Anybody that's having this issue with blown fuses, what I went ahead and I did is I took off the mirror here, and inside the insulation I went ahead and I ripped it apart. You could see that during the installation the wires got pinched, and this red one is actually exposed. Whoops, there we go. The red one is actually exposed, this green one is exposed, and the black one is exposed. So all of these, basically what was happening was when you feed the wires through here, it was getting caught on the metal here, and then you tighten it with the 3 bolts and it pinches it. So the way that I isolated it was I used the switch on that side, was popping in new fuses, and I would use the left mirror, the driver's side mirror, and I would go all 4 ways on the button and the fuse wouldn't blow. But as soon as I switched it over to the left hand side, you go ahead and I would hit the left, I would hit up, I would hit down, that one would it would blow the fuse. So I knew it had something to do with the passenger side door, and then that's when I took it off. And I'll, you know, if you kind of follow the harness here, it doesn't really hit anywhere that it would get pinched, even on the clips here, like where the door panel hangs onto. So I knew it wasn't the factory harness. What I did was I loosened up the bolts here, the 3, and I pulled the mirror away from the door a little bit, and then I went ahead and I used the switch again, and all 4, up, down, left, right, they all worked. So I knew the problem had to have been right here, and that's when I opened it up, and you get back to it, and all of this looks pretty good. But right here I noticed that the insulation was pinched, which is why I opened it, and then bam, there it is. So if you're installing tow mirrors and the fuses are blowing, it's more than likely not your switch. I would check the wiring first and try to find a better way to route it or just protect them. And yeah, so that was it. Thanks for watching.